I the madam the Aigi apology Karino have Kangaba. Immunity. Mapunsi Mangrava, they don't Savam later Mayamdo. Sakar Amalay, same winner, later, Mayamdo, say, Mayam Twina. 11 September to go, American in it. Terrorists will go to Wagami, the Shimpano City. Israel Hamas Mayam, Santal, someone in Harapur, Zanga Halamida. I don't but talk about human against humanity, talk about one Mayam, the book, Madu de Mayam to Dina, Madu Nuaiti, Madu Punamako, Madu Amana Nuaiti. I don't know, I beg you. But in the politics of Bukango, the Madu, Yang Pam Kambune, Yang Pam. We Manipuri and side from the people of the Manipur and side government and from my personnel, I wholeheartedly welcome Daze Balaji. He is a good and a dynamic person who knows the ground reality and the ground situation of the entire India, particularly the Northeast, and in particular Manipur situation he know very well. With his appointment as the governor of the state, I fully believe that normalcy and peace will be restored in the state of Manipur as early. And I convey my peace message to all the community residing in the state of Manipur. Again, let us forgive and forget everything. What is past is past. We should sit together and we should bring permanent solution. Restoring. First priority should be restoration of peace in the state.